Hey guys, you won't believe what just happened. My short clip on Clash of Clans with Apparition Pro blew up on TikTok with millions of views. I mean, it went viral. Oh my god! Wow! But that's not even the craziest part. The official Clash of Clans account commented on the video and they reposted my video. What? I'm freaking out. So by most of your requests, here is the extended version. Let's dive in and see what's the future. Now you are seeing the view from Apparition Pro, and first we are going to open the Clash of Clans app. So it's not here, so we go to the next page and yep, here it is. Oh, we got Crash Royale too. It's also from Supercell, but I don't know much about that game, so let's click Clash of Clans. So at this point they have to ask from us where to place the village in our physical world. So now you can see the Clash of Clans logos are appearing on my table. So, and those are the places where the village can be placed. Now you can see 3 identified places, and it's our duty to choose the best one. That area is not much spacious, so better to find another place. So I think this place is perfect to place our village. And here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! Wow! Perfect. Oh, look at the town hall and the other buildings. The walls are crazy, right? Look how cool that the balloons are floating in my room. Guys, this is crazy. Okay, so now we are going to try to move the buildings in the village. We all know that this is not a mobile game, so we have to deal with the 3D space rather than using a flat screen. In Apparition Pro, we have to pinch our fingers like this to click, and it detects as a click in the system. So how am I supposed to move the buildings in the village? Like this, or like this, or how? Well, here's my suggestion. Good. So we are not going to pinch like this. Instead, we'll bring our fingers to the top of the building, pinch from the top like this, grab, then move and release the fingers to drop it. That's it. Let's move another one. Pinch from the top, move, release. Cool. Boom! That's a level I want in a VR headset, and I think we all need that. People buy a VR headset to experience the 3-dimensional features, so the games and the apps have to be upgraded to the VR version. Please don't bring the entire mobile version to the VR with the frame. Yeah, I know that still this is at the beginning level, but all the apps and games have to be upgraded in the near future.